Is it possible to connect the points with coordinates -1 to 8, 47, -10, -43 with a single straight line? You must show, state a reason for your answer. Well, basically, you've got these 3 points here, okay? So what they want to say is, do they effectively line up, okay? So it's saying, is it possible to connect them with a straight line like that, right? So these points here. So, it doesn't matter where I put them as such, it could be like that. It doesn't matter about where they are. This is just a sketch. But suppose I've got the points like that there, right? In a straight line, yeah? That's what they're saying, is will this form a straight line when I join up these points? So what I can do is look at the gradient of the 2 points joined here and the gradient of the 2 points joined here. And if they've got the same gradient, that means then they are in a straight line, yeah? If they've got a different gradient, then we're going to have something like this. So maybe the gradient of joining the first 2 points would be that. And then when I look at the gradient of joining the other 2 points, it could be something like that. So then, if they have a different gradient, they're not in a straight line, so if that makes sense. So all you've got to do, focus on 2 points at a time, look at the gradient, and then we look at the other 2 points, okay, and see if the gradient's the same. If they're different, they're not in a straight line. Okay, so let's look at these 2 points first. Let's join these. So remember, the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So these 2 points here, well, if I call that my y2, okay, x2, y2, and this my x1, y1. So y2 will be 2. Take away minus 43. And then my x2 will be minus 1. Take away my x1, which is minus 10. Let's see what that is. So 2 minuses would make a plus, wouldn't it? You just type it in like that. So it comes out to be 5. Let's look at the gradient now of the other 2 points. So call that my x2, y2 this time, and this my x1, y1. 47 take away 2. 8 take away minus 1 for my x2 take away x1. So that comes out as 5 as well. Okay, so gradient connecting each pair of points is the same, which implies they lie in a straight line.